Oh. 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 Oh.
Maiksi oh.
Meksito, mas mataas to.
Maiksi oh.
Meksito, mas mataas to.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ayan.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ready. You're looking. Yeah. Let's assess first. Okay. Just a small difference. Small difference.
Wala kasi sa kita?
Mahaba ang kanan. 1/4. Ano? Yan. Yan.
Oh, konti.
Dito man po. Longer ba?
Comfort only, sir.
Okay. So it's a little less than before.
Lie down. I will let you see. So this is the pelvic.
Yeah. Yeah, it's higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
Lower.
This is why when I go running, it's painful.
You really feel pain.
Dok, bakit nagaganyan yung mga katawan? Walang ginagawa yan eh. Nakaupo lang.
Sitting position.
Ah, that's what's changing it? Causing it?
Opo kayo.
Yeah.
Yung hindi pa naka-slouch, okay yun. By the time na i-slouch, tapos either
Ah, that's what's causing it na.
Position, sitting position.
Kasi nakupusin na siya eh.
magbabago ang ano,
Parang sabi ko sa inyo
magbabago
kanina.
ang pelvic.
Diba? Kung sa'yo nakasanayan nyo, doon kayo lagi, doon lang lagi.
Ang common nun, sciatica.
Ah, okay. Wonder why.
So
Hindi
I
sinasabi
said,
nyo
"Come
nararamdaman nyo
up
kanya
with
sinasabi
sciatica."
ko.
Yes.
Ako kung di lang ako nag-drive, di man ako nagkaganyan, nararamdaman ko eh. Nag-drive ako ng taon lang, hindi ba ano?
Kasi nakasanayan nyo pong upo. Kung saan lagi, lagi
Yan yung
lang
mas
din.
angat dito.
Yeah.
This one is lower.
Higher.
Higher.
Oh, it's higher.
This is the, i-adjust ko siya, half, tapos i-adjust ko naman ito, paatras, patulak. I-adjust ko muna ito una. Tapos pulling na lang. Check ko muna yung shoulder niya.
You remove can you remove this, sir? Remove.
Remove the glass down.
There is also a tension right
Thank you.
here.
Yeah.
Lino yung meron din. Okay. Let's make a first adjustment. Sideways. Okay. That's the position. I will pull your shoulder.
Okay.
That's the position.
Dapat nga ng salol kaya kami. Ang salol kaya naman mo dati.
Oh.
Ang kakamasakit.
Yung iba po, yung iba mag-a-adjust. Hawakan ko dito. Ganyan. Tapos, pagkagalaw nilang ganyan, idadrop nilang katawan.
Yeah. Katig daw das.
Idadrop nila. Iba-iba po yung adjust na ginagawa ko. Depende po sa pagpipix ng problema nung tao, nung pasyente. Tulad nito, mula po dito sa pelvics niya, ang i-adjust ko itong L1, S1, L5. S1, L5. Kasi may nakikita akong problema na baksak to Okay, relax sir.
Oh.
That's the first adjustment.
Okay.
Okay.
I did feel something though.
Okay. Hold again sir. What now?
Yeah, feels similar.
Balance?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tingnan niyo yung short niya. Tumabi niya. Kasi umurong na po yung ano niya. Ayan. Kanina mahaba to
Pantay na siya. Yung 1 inch is over.
Kailangan ko na lang ito may sa height mo ngayon parehas na. Pero yung ito naman mula dito makikita nyo
Nakatraso.
gawa ha?
Naka-curve yung isa.
Kasi Achilles tendons problema.
Hold your hands here, sir. Yes.
Relax. Okay.
Oh, I felt that.
Do you feel that?
Yes.
Tingnan niyo po, magkasinga na lang. Okay.
I knew I had a problem with that foot. Also that toe.
Everything he said.
Oh, I broke that toe, man.
Where this?
Yeah.
Okay.
About 2 months ago.
Oh,
Dislocate.
there is really a big possibility.
That's right.
Much longer. 1/4 degree
Oh,
compared
yeah?
to this.
Wow.
Ano lang ako yung sukan sa ganyan kayo. Kaya alam ko din.
Oh.
Pati may try ko. Dinala ko rin ito doon eh. Kasi
Try niyo
nakita
po
mo
rin siya.
What's Ashley's problem, Dad?
Lumbar spine.
Lumbar spine is
Ah,
there.
lumbar.
I took her there.
Try niyo po dito, sir.
Yeah. I told her if she wants to try it. Nandito na kami, no?
Opo.
You know, my knee always crack, 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 crack every time I bend my knee.
Mm.
They're cracking.
You feel cracking.
Okay, let's bend it first and tingnan nyo.
For many years.
Tingnan nyo. Kunin nyo. Maiksi oh.
Wow.
Next mas mataas to.
This one works.
Yes.
Shorter.
Ma'am, papila po yung isa, ma'am. Sa
Parang
kanya po.
nakikita ko siya sa inyo, Doc. Si Doc.
Sila
Si ano,
po?
si Master Leong. Alam mo yan, Doc? No, yung famous sa ano?
Apo,
Sa
Indonesian.
Indonesia.
Di, saan siya? Sa Malaysia. Si Master
Malaysia?
Leong.
Mm,
Ay, nabusira pa. Ano yung masakit yung bibigyan mo? Ay, sagutan mo yan. Wasi. Sikat yun sa ano sa YouTube. Gusto ko pumunta yun Noon ba na told you, we should go and see Malaysia. Chris Leong.
Famous sa YouTube.
Minsan pumunta siya sa Philippines.
ano? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let me
Oh,
see.
that felt like it released a lot of tension there.
Yes.
It's got pain now.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Third adjustment. Right here. Side.
Right side.
Right side, right? Hold. Wait. Need to... Yes. Okay, just relax.
Just hold.
Ito ang dapat kinorek, ma'am. Na pagkatagal-tagal na sa kanya. You see? Did you hear?
Cracking already.
Huh?
It's cracking already.
Oh, yes.
Oh. You feel it?
You need to have some physical strength to do your job.
Okay, just lie down. Let me see first. Because you came to me, I need to fix you.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you.
The right way.
Yeah, of course. I understand.
Nagpawak siya, Doc. Ano palaban niya?
We do a lot of,
Grabe, yan parang hindi dumaan ng chiropractic to.
we do some research before we come. So we did some
Gawa
research.
na natin yung sakto eh.
Ano pa yan na, Doc?
Pwes ko yata si ma'am sa Facebook eh.
Ha?
Pwes ko yata si ma'am sa Facebook.
Ay, gano'n.
Nakita ko yung ano sa Facebook
Parang na ano ko siya, kaya sabi ko familiar sa akin kasi parang pwes ko siya sa FB.
Kaya nag-message ako di ba?
Apo.
Oo. Nakita ko sa ano sa Facebook.
Relax.
Oh.
One more.
One more.
Lower scapula. Okay.
Fine. Inhale, exhale, sir.
There's a tension right here. Compression. Let's make an stretch.
Relax.
Further more stretching. Yeah.
Go.
Wow. Like you crush a few peanut in there.
One more. Stretching. Oh, okay. You feel anything?
No, I don't feel anything there. No.
Ma'am, check nyo nga yung... Tingnan ko muna. Nawala na yung masyadong decompress, no?
Just a little bit.
Oo, karoon na ng ano yun, ha?
Starting to ano yan.
Kaso lang, kung titingnan natin yung tenga niya po. Mataas to, baksak dito, no?
Oh, pasok yung isa.
Kaya ibig sabihin, check natin. Yan. Okay. Ayun! Oh, tignan nyo. Bakit ito?
Hanggang doon.
Bakit? Pagdating dito, ayun, no? Oh. Kung chiropractor ang humawak, bakit ganyan?
This morning,
Hmm?
I always do some stretching.
Yes?
When I roll my head like this, it's very
You
painful.
feel?
Yeah, here.
You feel compression
But
like that?
now it's gone.
Wow.
When it's still a little, yeah, still a little pain here. Coming from,
We need to fix the atlas and axis
yeah.
for this to be able to function
Very.
flexible.
Yeah.
Chest up, chest up.
Yeah, so chest out. Okay. Relax. Relax.
Okay. Chest up, chest up. Yeah, that's the right way. Okay.
Just inhale, exhale, sir. After.
Okay, one more. Upward. Slowly upward. Oh. Move.
Okay.
Give me your hand, sir. Pull driver.
Yep.
Open. Start. Line up. Just relax.
Balik ka sa? Timbok ko.
Yes, sir.
Siya muna.
Lay down, sir.
This way.
Yeah. Okay.
Doc Ball.
Out, exhale. Oh, wait.
Sundan mo lang siya, Pia. Yung post lang, ha? Pag-iikot ka, i-post mo.
Yes.
Tapos, i-pinili mo rin yung post.
One more. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. That's the side. Bow down. Just relax. Relax. Okay.
Pause mo.
Busy, sir. One more. Sit down. I'm trying to fix your T1 and T2.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, just relax. Just relax. Okay, relax. Yeah,
Got it.
that's what I'm
That's
saying.
T1, T2.
Although makikita nyo na po ngayon po,
Yeah.
balance na po.
Yeah.
Balance na. Shoulder niya.
Must be adjusting. You know something, when we sometimes go for massage because I feel tense
Yes.
and they tell me your body feels like
Imbalance.
it's imbalanced.
Bad posture.
Yeah.
But now, sir, you feel better than before?
I feel freer. Yeah,
Thank
I can
you.
tell that there's something.
Salamat.
What do
Salamat po.